Hi everyone, I'm going to be reading The Little Dump Truck by Margery Cuyler and illustrated by Bob Cuyler. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. Oh, there they go. Oh, there's a doggy. What else do we have here? Some birds. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. They're wearing hard hats on their heads. I'm a little dump truck parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big holes being filled. Where's the forklift? There they are. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris. Excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash. On and off, warning red lights flash. There they are. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. They're going for a long drive. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee. Other truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck working hard each day. Back and forth, back and forth. I love my job. Hooray! The end. Look at all the different trucks. Thanks. Bye.